Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of stuck on loading on the application of Chase Mobile. You will go to settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Chase Mobile. Here on this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account or can cause you errors in your app. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching and your attention.